Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to install Pulsar Gaming Gears, how to install software to control your Pulsar V4 mouse. So as you can see here, I have Pulsar V4 Xlite, and now we will download the software. So firstly we should open a web browser, so in my case it will be Chrome, and then in Chrome web browser just find Pulsar Gaming Gear, download, just enter. Input this and find the first web page, pulsar.gg pages download. Here we should find Xlite, because in our case it's Pulsar mouse, Pulsar Xlite mouse. Here we will see Pulsar, for example, Xlite V4 mini gaming mouse. I have V4 large gaming mouse. Click on it, here you will see the software, and then click download. Wait a while and open the archive that was downloaded. Click on it twice, and as you can see here, you can see this window. So Windows protected your PC, Microsoft detected, Defender Smart Screen prevented unrecognized app. So just click more info and click run anyway. It's official application, it's not a virus. So select the language of the application, in my case it will be English. Click several times next, and click install. You should leave this checkbox, click finish, and wait a while. Cool, here we have our Pulsar software. Here we can enable or disable startup. We can change the application language, and if you wanna launch it minimized, you can minimize it right now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.